Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Adobe Photoshop on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the exact method and not the ones mentioned by others. So, the safest way is to search for Store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Now search for Photoshop and then go to Photoshop. Okay, now let us check the list. We have something called as Adobe Photoshop, which is the paid software, and another one is Adobe Photoshop Express, which is a free software. So if you want the paid version, go to this one and select install. You will have to subscribe to the subscription before being able to use it. And if you want the free one, simply go to Adobe Photoshop Express, which is a diminished version of the original Photoshop, and you can click on get. So this is how you can download and install Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Please do not use the other methods or any other third-party website because they may be insecure. Yes, you can download it from Adobe's own website, but this method is way better. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.